Here's my lonely old truck. Here's my load. See if they have somebody to put the stuff on. I pulled in here, man. It was crazy busy with materials coming in. Not necessarily people picking up, but materials coming in. You see what I mean? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 trucks with spools of metal. Alright, so now we're down in Sebastian County after going through yesterday being in Berry County last night, and then we started off in Benton County, went through Washington County, then Crawford County, and now Sebastian County. That's gonna have to be pulled up.
Yeah, we know.
But we have already set the water level up and down that way. Checked everything. We got 3 piers that are leaning pretty serious, and that right there on that side is down an inch, so we've got to go up. And if you notice down here at the bottom, we put 2 by 12 so that we don't sink in as much. We're still sunk some, but it's a small house, 55 foot long, something like that. And the ground's wet. It's not far from here they grow rice and things like that. So it's wet, and that's with no skirting and no vents. It's wet. So you're gonna have to manhandle and pull it up because it's gonna have suction on it.
We're gonna have to hammer underneath it. Alright, get underneath the clay.
Now, whenever we set this pier up, we checked it for a level, and if anything, if I had this mobile home leaning toward us here, I would tilt it where it would push away from the tendency to have. If you notice, that pier over there is leaning this way, that pier over there is leaning this way, and so was this one over here, and so is that one over there. So we're gonna jack opposite of that, and that way we can fight any kind of tendency it has to head toward us. It's kind of a wide open area, but like if this was a really bad leaning and I was really worried about it, I would go all the way over to a tree way over there, put a chain on it, take a winch and tie to it and chain to the frame so it would not go the direction that it wants to. Or, you could tie to a number of other things, but you're just trying to keep that home from moving.